Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing about 7th class mathematics revision assignment dated assignments 31-32. Dash criterion for congruency of triangle. If triangle sides of a triangle are equal to corresponding three sides, that is called side criterion. Okay, so now for triangle ABC is congruence to triangle DEF, which is equal to DE is nothing but AB. So in triangle DEF, the side DE which is equal to in triangle ABC, the side AB must be equal. So now third question, triangle ABC is congruence to triangle DEF, angle E equal to angle B, So fourth one, triangle ABC is congruence to triangle DEF, so DF is equal to AC. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, so that the angle F which is equal to angle C. So now sixth one. Decide whether triplets congruence is true with the following figure. So here given two figures. So in these two figures, which one is the congruency? So that is a side congruence existing which triangle? Okay. So according to triangle NBE, and triangle RCA. So according to triangles NBE and RC, we have BN. So BN value is equal to RC value. So the side. Okay, and this side must be equal. And next BE. So this one. Okay. BE is equal to CA. Okay, these two are equal. So and next remaining NB is equal to AR. Okay, so both are equal by SSS congruency by side to side congruency. So triangle NBE is congruence to triangle RCA. Okay. Seventh one. So this is the diagram of seventh question. For the following congruent triangles, find the pair of corresponding angles. So corresponding angles. So here how many triangles? Two triangles now. So triangle DPQ and triangle SQR. So in this two triangles TP. So this side is equal to SR, and this side must be equal. Okay, and next PQ equal to QR. So PQ value and QR value must be equal. So now PQ is equal to SQ. TQ equal to SQ. So and these two lines are equal. So now comes from angles. So here sides. So sides equal. Now angles. So what is the angles? Angle TQP equal to angle SQR. TQP is equal to SQR. SQR. Now angle T. So PTQ equal to angle next angle QSR. So QSR. Okay, and the final angle is angle TPQ. Okay, angle TPQ is equal to angle SRQ. Okay, so this is the congruency pair of corresponding angles. Okay. So now, eighth one. So what is eighth one? So we are given AB equal to DC, AC equal to DB. So in this given conditions AB equal to DC, AC equal to DB. Okay. So see in the figure given below, okay, is whether this diagram is correct or not. They are asking. Yes, it is. It is correct figure. Why it is correct figure? So AB equal to DC, AC equal to DB, and BC equal to CB. Okay, BC equal to C. Why it is equal means common side. Common side. Okay. So according to side congruency criterion, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DCB are equal. Now, ninth one. So here PQ equal to PR, PS is angle bisector. Okay, so the ninth one is here given two triangles are there. So in this PQR is the one triangle and PRS is the another triangle. If S give reason, if at all this diagram is correct, so then you can say why it is correct. Then you can say why it is correct. So now see triangle PQR and triangle PSR. So here given three triangles, two triangles. So in these two triangles, what is the given PQ equal to PR? So this is the given condition. This is the given condition. So now common side in the both the triangles is PS. So PS equal to PS. So this is the line. This is the side is common to both the triangles. Both the triangles. Now comes from angle. Angle QPR. Angle QPS is equal to angle RPS. So angle QPS is congruent to angle RPS. So why it is PS is angular bisector. So PS is the angle bisector. Okay. So why this angle is equal means so in this angle is dividing the PS means that is the angular bisector. That is the angular bisector. So why PQS, triangle PQS is congruent to triangle PQS is congruent to triangle PRS. So these two triangles are this triangle and this triangle. Why it is congruence means this is a side angle side. So SCIS rule existing. So that's why these two triangles are congruency. Okay. Revision assignment completed.